Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find working coupon codes for Amazon so you can save money on your orders. The process is simple and easy to follow. First, open your preferred browser such as Chrome or Safari and go to Google. In the search bar, type Coupon Follow and click on the website. Once you're on Coupon Follow, use the search bar to look for Amazon. This will display a list of available Amazon coupon codes along with details on how much you can save. Next, choose a coupon code that fits your order. For example, if you find a $30 off coupon, check the details to make sure it applies to your purchase. Once confirmed, copy the code and paste it at checkout on Amazon to enjoy your discount. And that's it! You now know how to find working Amazon coupon codes quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching.